Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Creality Ender 3S1 Plus. A budget-friendly 3D printer that promises big prints without breaking the bank.
The Creality Ender 3S1 Plus comes in with a bang, boasting a large build area that's generous for its price range. With dimensions of insert dimensions here, this printer gives you the space to bring your big ideas to life. Whether you're prototyping industrial parts or crafting artistic sculptures, the Ender 3S1 Plus has got you covered. Assembly is a breeze, with most of the printer coming pre-assembled.
In just about an hour, you'll have this machine up and running, ready to tackle your printing projects.
But don't let its ease of assembly fool you. We encountered a few hurdles along the way, particularly with the print bed leveling. The automatic bed leveling system, touted by Creality as hassle-free, unfortunately, left much to be desired. We found ourselves wrestling with misalignments and loose screws, which proved to be quite the headache. While the process can be a bit finicky, with patience and persistence, you can eventually achieve a level bed for optimal prints.
Now let's talk materials.
The Ender 3S1 Plus supports a variety of filament types, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and even wood. This versatility allows you to explore different textures and properties in your prints. However, do note that the printer's maximum temperature may limit your options compared to its sibling, the S1 Pro.
In our testing, we printed a range of objects, from intricate geometric shapes to practical household items. While the overall print quality was commendable, we did encounter some inconsistencies, with occasional misprints marring our results. Nonetheless, with a bit of troubleshooting, we were able to achieve some impressive prints, like these. In conclusion, the Creality Ender 3S1 Plus offers a compelling package for those looking to venture into the world of 3D printing without breaking the bank. Its large build area and support for multiple filament types make it a versatile tool for makers of all levels.
However, be prepared to tackle some challenges along the way, particularly with the print bed leveling process. If you're willing to put in the effort, the Ender 3S1 Plus can deliver satisfying results for your printing projects. That wraps up our review of the Creality Ender 3S1 Plus. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy printing!